India Union Territories. Union territories are the administrative divisions in India like states. But union territories have no their own government. They are directly ruled by central government. Before October 31st, 2019, there are 7 union territories are there in India. They are number 1 Andaman Nicobar Islands, number 2 New Delhi, number 3 Chandigarh, number 4 Puducherry, number 5 Daman Diu, number 6 Dadra Nagar Haveli, number 7 Lakshadweep. The Parliament of India passed Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. According to this act, the state of Jammu and Kashmir divided into 2 union territories. One is Jammu Kashmir and the other Ladakh on 31st October 2019. Then total union territories number increased to 9. They are number 1 Andaman Nicobar Islands, number 2 New Delhi, number 3 Chandigarh, number 4 Puducherry, number 5 Daman Diu, number 6 Dadra Nagar Haveli, number 7 Lakshadweep, number 8 Jammu and Kashmir, number 9 Ladakh. In November 2019, the Government of India introduced legislation to merge the union territories of Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli into a single union territory to be known as Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. This was working into force on 26th January 2020. Now there are 8 union territories in India. So that means after 26th January 2020, there are 8 union territories in India. They are number 1 Andaman Nicobar Islands, number 2 New Delhi, number 3 Chandigarh, number 4 Puducherry, number 5 Daman Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli, number 6 Lakshadweep, number 7 Jammu and Kashmir, number 8 Ladakh. Among the above 8 union territories, New Delhi, Puducherry and Jammu and Kashmir have own assemblies. We see these 8 union territories on India map. This is Andaman Nicobar Islands. This is New Delhi. It is known as National Capital Territory. This is the most populous union territory. New Delhi is the most populous union territory. This is Chandigarh. This is Puducherry or Pondicherry. Yes, this is Daman Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli. This is Lakshadweep. This is the smallest union territory in area. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in India in area. This is the least populous union territory. This is Jammu and Kashmir. This is Ladakh. Ladakh is the largest union territory in India in area. This map was prepared by Survey General of India. It shows two union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir and the second one is Ladakh. According to this map, Ladakh is the largest union territory in area in India. This slide presents union territories and their capitals. Andaman Nicobar Islands. The capital city of Andaman Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. The capital city of Chandigarh is Chandigarh. The capital city of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu is Daman. The capital city of New Delhi, New Delhi. The capital city of Ladakh is Leh. The capital city of Lakshadweep is Kavatti. The capital city of Jammu and Kashmir is Jammu in winter, Srinagar in summer. The capital city of Puducherry is Puducherry. Which is the largest union territory in India? Ladakh. Which is the most populous union territory in India? Yes, New Delhi. Which is the smallest union territory in India? Lakshadweep. How many union territories are there in India at present? Yes, now we have 8 union territories. When was the state of Jammu and Kashmir divided into 2 union territories? 31st October 2019. How many union territories have own assembly? Yes, 3 union territories in India have own assembly. One is New Delhi and the second one is Puducherry and third one is Jammu and Kashmir.